look what Solon we just got. It's like a gem crystal squishy. It's like, you see this little like light? It's an LED light inside.
And then you have to wait.
Yeah,
you have to do. And then it turns on.
Yeah, here. I'll show you with the lights out, but like it's so good. Oh my god. Okay. We'll show you with the lights out. Okay, this is with mid lights off.
Looks like it turned off.
Yeah, so we're gonna turn it back on. Oh.
It's perfect because when the power goes out, this will be perfect.
Yes, this is so good. Yes. Oh my god. Let's show you like with no light. Here. Okay, I don't know why the camera's great, but look. I dropped it, but it's really good. It's like,
This is with no windows at all.
yeah,
So cool.
I know. Oh my god.
Wait, if a burglar came in, then we would have been able to hide in here. We would be able to lock the door, but we won't need the lights because if they need, then the burglar will know we're here. But if we turn off the lights, then this will be reflected.
Yeah.
I don't know why I explained that, guys.
This is so good. Oh my god. Yeah, where'd you get this from? I need this.
This is us with the light.
Yeah, it's so good.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
And I'll give you the information of where I got this so you guys can get it too. Maybe Five Below or something. But I'm not 100%. So
Check on Amazon.
yeah. Bye.